So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back here. My name is Paul from Drone and Weather, and today I'm going to show you a new firmware update for the Air 2. It's nothing much on the Air 2 though. It's basically just an update here on there, but DJI still consistently updates the Air 2 because a lot of people use it quite a bit. So I'll show you what the update is. The update for the Air 2 is just added support for Japanese RID requirements. So that's basically it, and probably a few buzz, with this update, but nothing really much to it. But either way, though, like I said, it's very important to get the update, to get the firmware updated every time, so that your drone can perform the best as possible. So I'll be showing you how to update the firmware from where I'm seeing it right now. So what we do is we got the smart controller right here. Now the regular controller is the same way, but on the smart controller it's the same way too. You just have to make sure that the battery is full. Make sure it's above 20%, which as you can see here, the battery is full bar, so it's full. So because of that right here, we are ready to do the update, and this should take about 10 minutes. So we'll go ahead and we will update here. And there it goes, it'll start updating. So that's it. So you just gotta let this thing update, and yeah, we will come back. We will come back once the update is finished. As you can see right here, it's still updating. We're at 34% battery, 35% power, or 37%. So this update takes about 10 minutes, so it takes a little bit. So now we have to keep the app running, and obviously the drone's still on, of course, during this update. So we can't turn anything off here. We gotta let this thing update and not mess any controls up here. Still at 54% power. DJI still runs updates on the Air 2 because the Air 2 is still a very popular drone and people still have the Air 2. I love the Air 2. The Air 2 has been my favorite drone. It's my go-to drone. This is a drone I fly the most. I have the Mini 2 and of course the FPV drone, but the Air 2 is the drone that I fly the most, and this thing is a beast. That's why I don't need to get the Air 2S, because the Air 2 is better. The Air 2 is a better drone. The Air 2 is way better. It's way better. Longer flight time. If you're a person that doesn't fly as much, you know, the Air 2 is great for you. It's a fantastic drone. This drone is going to be good for some years, and I love it. So my point is, yeah, if you have Air 2, stick with it. Do not get the Air 2S. Stick with the Air 2. If you have the Air 2, stick with it. It's going to be great for a while. No reason to upgrade. No reason to get the Air 2S. You're not getting much anyway, other than maybe a little bit of distance and the camera quality, but that's it. It's basically the same drone as the Air 2. So as you can see, it's almost finished updating here. It's at 88%, so it should be done shortly. And then once it gets to 100%, the drone should restart. It should shut off and turn back on once it's finished. So the firmware version on this drone is V01.01.0920. That's the number, that's the version that this drone is on now with this new firmware update. Again, nothing really new on this update other than just add support to Japanese RID requirements. That's it. So nothing has changed on the Air 2. The Air 2 is still the same, no added features, no nothing. So nothing has changed. At 97% as you can see, so we're almost done. 98%. Drone should restart pretty soon. %. Here's the drone restarting right now. The controller just rebooted too. Yep, as you can see now the controller is back green. And the update is almost finished. We're at 99%. It's nearly done. Still 99%. So the update is almost finished. Again, nothing much really on this update other than just added support to Japanese requirements, but that's basically it. Everything else is the same on here too. Everything else is the same on here. No big changes at all. Everything is the same on here too. Nothing has changed. The controls, everything's still the same. Same features, same software, just added support from Japanese. That's it. Here's the drone restarting one more time.